What's up, guys? Welcome back to another West New England video. For those that don't know, my name is Jake, and we are out at the creek right now. As you can see, I've got rock walls. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. There are just tons of rock out here. It's a creek, you know, it runs through the gorge, and it is absolutely one of the coolest spots to come fish. So I actually I just broke off, unfortunately, on an Ed rig. I'm gonna retie up. I'm throwing super light line, get hooked up on hopefully a smallmouth bass. There are pike in here. If I do hook into a pike, it's probably gonna break me off, but we're going for smallies. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can hook into something for the first time ever here. I've been here twice, been skunked twice. There was actually, I took Alyssa here, my wife, and my wife ended up catching her first ever smallmouth and northern pike in this creek right here. I didn't catch anything. So here's a little throwback clip of that video that we made.
Out along those rock ledges.
Down there?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, honey, it's a smallmouth. No way. Holy cow. Drop. Okay, put it down so it doesn't flop, and no freaking way, honey. Alyssa got her very first smallmouth ever. Holy cow, no way. Guys, Alyssa's got another one. Oh, Alyssa's got another one. Get him over. Get him over. No, you're good. Don't grab it like that. Don't grab it.
What is it?
Holy cow, babe, it's a pike. Oh my god. Holy cow.
Oh,
Come here. Holy cow. Oh my god. What in the what the heck? Are you serious? Are you serious?
I don't know.
You want to release him now?
You can release him.
Here he goes.
So yeah, let's get to fishing. I already lost one lure, so probably gonna lose a lot more with how rocky it is here, but we're gonna try our best. Hopefully we catch a fish. Stick with it, stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Let's do it. Look at the mouth. You see that thing? We're here for a few hours today, and then we're making our trip even farther north to hang out with some buddies and do some more fishing. So I'm at one of my favorite spots. I'm super excited. Let's quit wasting time and let's start casting some lines because it looks juicy. I mean, look at this. You don't want to fall down that. Woo! Oh my goodness. And there's so much more rock that way. It's so sick, dude. I don't even know where to begin.
We're just gonna start right here, I guess. I don't know. We'll try her out, see what happens. This is kind of the most accessible spot besides over there. But we're gonna start off with a Ned rig. This is steep. I'm gonna have to get down there, so see if we can kind of go down this way. I mean, if I fall right here, I'm in the water on the rocks. Oh shit. Yeah, this is not oh, okay. Yep, I called it. I knew I was gonna fall. That is muddy. Okay, well, we made it down. Well, I'm just gonna start with what I got on. We got a little Tsukoshi bug, Ned rig, 10th ounce. And we're just gonna make some casts. That was an awful first cast. Tighten our drag a little bit because that is way too loose. But yeah, we're gonna start here. We're gonna work our way that way. Just kind of tough because every spot you kind of got to walk up and walk back down. There's really no just cutting along the bank here. Unless you're Spider-Man or something. Get a little bit of hiking in while you're doing this too. Look at this. Do we go down there? This is sick. Yep, we're doing it. Everything's just muddy, so it's kind of sketchy. Oh yeah, we're going. Look at this. This is so cool. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh. Worth it. This was sick. Okay. We made it. Oh, we made it. We're good. We're chilling. That is where we just came from. And that brings us down here.
Palisades State Park was established in 1972 on a unique stretch of Split Rock Creek south of Garrettson in Minnehaha County. The park and the surrounding area is rich in quartzite and catlinite, also known as pipestone. Native American tribes from all over the Midwest have visited or inhabited the area for thousands of years. White settlers found a rich source of building materials and water power.
This was a railroad center for that town. They had a flour mill here. Your typical businesses in an old west type town. This particular bridge was built in 1908.
Oh, there's a fish. We're hooked up. Top water. Oh, that feels like a decent one too. That's a decent fish. We're hooked up on the whopper plopper. Oh my goodness, guys, we got one. That's a decent fish. I'm assuming it's a smallmouth. Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness. We freaking did it. Well, I haven't caught it yet. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's a pretty fish, guys. That is a pretty fish. Let's freaking go. Look at that small jaw. God, it's beautiful. So bronze. Oh, baby. On the plopper. There we go. First fish of the South Dakota trip. Boom. A beautiful little smallmouth. Let's go. Wow. Look at those colors. We did it. I caught my first fish at this spot. I'm amped. What a way to start the trip, baby. Let's go. We caught one on top water, and that's really all I can ask for. Whoa, what was that? Because something just waked out to the plopper back in that creek. Dude, that whatever that was massive. I don't know if it was a fish. I don't know if it was a mammal. I don't know if it was a loose alligator. All right, we're gonna change up lures. The plopper ain't working no more. We caught a fish on it though, and that's all that matters. We did it. Got some rock climbers over there. I don't know if you guys can see it on the GoPro here, but one's all the way up at the top, two are down below. It's pretty cool. Definitely one of the only places even remotely close to, you know, my home and here where you can even do that. So that's kind of a pretty unique spot. Oh my goodness. There it goes. Huh. Stick. Immediately. I got a fish. Guys, we got a fish. We got a second fish on. Yes. Yes. Let's go. That's awesome, dude. Right off the rocks. Oh, let's go. Thank God. There we go. Our second smallie of the day. Not nearly as big, but a smallmouth is a smallmouth. There we go. Pretty awesome that we were able to get our second smallie of the day. We're done fishing the creek. We are headed up to the lake. It's about an hour and 10-minute drive. So once we get up there, you know, we're just, the plan is to do a little more fishing tomorrow and then the day after. So fingers crossed that I can hook into a walleye, hopefully take some walleye home with me. And I'm looking forward to doing some more fishing. So here in a sec, you guys will see day number 2 of fishing in South Dakota. So had a pretty good time at Palisades. Actually caught my first couple fish there. Cannot complain about that. And let's hope that we can keep this fish streak rolling. So we'll see you guys there. Carp. There were like 3 over here. Oh, I just got thumped. Still the wrong flavor. What the heck?
Oh!
Dude, you just fucked me up.
Good?
Yeah. spot too. Oh, fuck off, dude. Got one?
Yep.
Big one.
Oh yeah. On the spinnerbait. Oh my God. Here, I'll.
Come over here.
Bleeding. Here, yeah. Where'd he get you at? Oh.
His gills.
Let's go.
You gotta take a picture of that thing.
Yeah.
Use it up to the basket. Well, when you can throw baits into that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's true. I almost brought my
That's sick.
my weedless hook, my weighted weedless hooks, specifically for throwing in here.
There you go. 21 and a half. Keeper?
That's what, yeah. We only get 2 more of those.
Okay.
You get 1 over 20. So.
Got it on camera too. Yeah. There we go. First Walter of the day. Hey. Is that your first cast with that?
Second. Yes! You're on the board. What fucking time?
There you go. Oh yeah, it is. Oh. Nice.
At all. At all.
Yeah, I was looking at the
Like, I didn't even know the hit.
I was looking at the tip of your rod.
Check this fucker.
I'm really surprised we didn't catch anything on paddle tail.
Oh, I know. No way. That was sick. Oh, here. If you want me to, I can get it. Oh.
Just net it, just net it. You got the net out. That way Peyton doesn't hook it.
You had a bunch of slack line too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Ten out of 10 release. Got one. Might be a pike. Probably, it feels like a pike. Yep, it is. Yeah. Nice. Made it home. Feels good to be home. We were gone for 3 days and it was a good trip. The days were slow, but we did catch fish and we brought some fish home with us. We got 4 walleyes in here, so the wife and I will be doing a little catch and cook, which is something that I never do, so it feels good to, you know, get a nice bag of fish meat to bring home. So I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching. I know it was kind of a
on the whim video. You know, everything was kind of thrown together in one video, but with the days that we fished, you know, I felt like it would have been better with it all together. You know, I'm just glad I was able to make it out. I appreciate Peyton and Charlie and the rest of the family for having me up there at the lake house. I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching. Hopefully you stick around for more, and hopefully I can get out for more trips here soon to make some awesome videos for you guys. So I will catch you guys on the next West Angling video. Peace out, everybody.